What is in the matrix? The Program Overlap Matrix is a fabulous way to explore government service use by Albertans. The matrix is a visualization of program overlap rates. The main part of the visualization is a matrix of squares. Each square, or cell, represents the overlap between two of the programs in the study. The rows of the matrix represent the source programs. The columns represent the linked programs. The visualization is interactive. When a cell is clicked, it is highlighted with a green border. Information about that cell appears below the matrix. The cell tells us about the proportion of individuals in the source program, that's the program in the row, who are also in the linked program, that's the program in the column. For example, the cell for the post-secondary students row and the healthcare registry column represents the proportion of post-secondary students who were in the healthcare registry. We can also look at that program overlap the other way. The cell for the healthcare registry row and the post-secondary students column represents the proportion of healthcare registrants who were post-secondary students. All programs in the study appear in the rows and the columns, so the matrix shows all possible program overlaps. An additional column provides the no-match rate for each source program. This is the proportion of individuals in the source program who did not use any of the other programs in the study. What are those columns to the right of the matrix? On the right side of the matrix, there is additional information about the source programs. The age range of the individuals in the program is provided under minimum age and maximum age. These are minimum and maximum ages of people using the programs. The total number of individuals in the source program is also provided under total individuals. The percentage of population column contains the percentage of individuals in the study who are in the source program. Only people of the right age range for the program are considered in this percentage. What do the colors mean? The darkness of the cell color indicates the amount of overlap between the two programs. Darker colors mean more overlap. Lighter colors mean less overlap. The cells along the diagonal of the matrix are the ones where the source program and the linked program are the same program. The cells are white in color, and when clicked, Not Applicable appears at the bottom of the matrix. This is because program overlap within a program is not meaningful. How can I customize the visualization? There are two drop-down boxes at the top of the right side of the visualization. The top drop-down box lets you choose which matrix to view. There are matrices that consider program overlap for all years of the study together and matrices that look only at one study year at a time. There is also a matrix that looks at future service use of people who were in the study in the first study year. There is also a matrix that looks at past service use of people who were in the study in the last study year. The bottom drop-down box lets you sort the matrix. You can order the programs by name, by total number of individuals, or by ministry, for example. Where can I find further information? When the cursor is placed over the name of a program, a short description of the program pops up. When the name of a program is clicked, a document with a longer description of the program and a summary of the program overlap rates for that program is opened. At the bottom left of the visualization, there are 3 links. The first link is to the tables of values for the current matrix. The tables are part of a larger document that contains all of the tables for all 9 matrices. This document can be downloaded. The second link is to a document that describes the matrix and how to use it. The third link is to a technical report that contains details of the linkage process and summaries of program overlap rates. The Program Overlap Matrix is a powerful tool to discover relationships between programs. Please visit our website to learn more.